Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got a quick little one from Nissin Foods of Japan that came in a Japan Ramen box. Japan Ramen box is another one of many subscription boxes out of Japan. And today we've got, oh, where'd it go? Yeah, we got Miles, but we got this one here. This is a fancy, it's a tempura soba, like a tanuki soba, so looks pretty good. I'm going to use my special method today. Here it is. What's nice about Japanese cup noodle varieties is that they tell you how much water you need, and here it is. So this one requires 300 milliliters, and not only that, it requires 3 minutes. And there it goes. So, what's going on today? Well, poor kiddo's woke up not feeling so well. He's feeling a lot better now, so that's cool, but yep, no school for Mr. Magoo today. Or tomorrow, but tomorrow we'll do a mukbang, so that's good. Tomorrow's the day they normally have off. But, yeah, looking pretty gloomy out. Kind of bummed me and my daughter didn't get to go for our walk today. I didn't bring my Fitbit with me yesterday, so I wasn't able to get the points and all that junk for it. But rest assured, the ultra long walk will be taken again, probably on Thursday. So, yeah. And once again, as usual, I absolutely despise how noodles look in a transparent vessel. Just not attractive in the slightest. I heard some news from a good buddy of mine. He told me that he heard that the show Deadwood, if you're familiar with it, one of the best shows ever, is going to come back, possibly. And he found it on IMDb. It says it's going to be back in spring, supposedly. So that's rad. It's in development, or in production. I'll take it. If you haven't seen Deadwood, Netflix it or Hulu it or whatever you have to do. Beg, borrow, or steal and watch that whole series, because it's dang good, folks. It's really good stuff. And yeah, it's cooking. It'll get there. But yeah, what else is going on? Trying to figure out what a certain variety is. I'm getting some good help from a buddy in Taiwan. Thanks, man. That one I'll be doing a mukbang of tomorrow. Actually, should be the next video that comes out the day after this one of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's a Taiwanese variety. But it's one that I've had one with the same flavor, but I want to get like the backstory on it a little better. It sounds like it's like a Hong Kong or Macau style hot pot rather than a Chinese or Taiwanese style hot pot. Being from here and not as, I just don't know as much about hot pot as I guess I should, but by tomorrow I should know a disgustingly large amount of information about hot pot, which I'm okay with. Hot pot is very intrinsic to the food culture of the area I'm most interested in. So, anyways, we got our time's up. Well, let's see what we ended up with here. Make sure you can see. It smells like a tanuki soba, and honestly, I've never been all that impressed with tanuki soba. Especially I like yakisoba, don't get me wrong, but these are not my favorite style noodles, generally. They just seem very gritty and funky and just... I mean, I like I mean, obviously, you know, I like very strong noodles, but this. Okay, I take that back. That one's not bad. Let's give it a taste. Taste that broth. Okay. I stand corrected. This one's not too bad. I should just to be fair, I should try the kamaboko for hydration. Kamaboko's good. And of course, I don't want that big of a piece. Then, of course, the tempura. Mmm. Alright, this may well be my favorite tanuki, so. What do you think of that, Miles? Eating my words as I say them, practically. And making a mess at the same time. Ah, boy. So, what are we going to add to this? Well, I'll show you. And that's not a play on the term show you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll just show you. Get it? Good. Here we go. Alright, so I'm thinking just an egg, some mung bean sprouts, and some spring onion. And you know, I feel like I do this combo so often that most of you are getting pretty bored with it, but it's a good combo, you know. It stood the test of time for me, and I think maybe some what do you call it as well? Some kind of pepper mix, Japanese pepper mix, I think would be logical at this point. We're doing the egg today. It's one thing I was supposed to do on my walk. Miriam and I were going to go walk and get more eggs, but unfortunately that just did not come to fruition. So this is the next to last egg. Come on, egg. You got business to attend to, egg. Come on. Alright. Nice and smooth. Scissors. We're not in there, so we'll use these. It's the one thing I always insist on having is kitchen scissors. All around the kitchen. There we go. See, that one worked well. Granted, it could be a little less congealed, but I'm not complaining. Are you complaining, Miles? No? Okay. Spring onion, and let's see what I got here. I'm gonna go with some yeah, did I get a whole new thing? I did get a whole new thing of this stuff. I'm glad. I really like it. This is the shichimi, I think. Alright, I'm going to call that a day. see that? Well, yeah. Nice little bowl of noodles. Good lunch. Although you know what's going to happen to this, but yeah, I'm really quite surprised. This is a really good Tanuki soba. So yeah. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.